Algarve lovers, welcome to our channel. And today we're in a new town of Albufeira and we're just going to do a little walking talking tour of Oura Beach. I'll spin the camera around guys and come and join me. So we're at like halfway down Cardiac Hill, right opposite Oura Beach Club. Just get on the road so you can dodge these people. And look at that for the view guys. Now it's been 20 years since we've been to this beach. Now I've just dropped Sue off at one of the bars overlooking the beach. It's absolutely stunning. So stay tuned to the end guys to see the view Sue's got right now. So there's a couple of hotels right down at the bottom of the hill. I think there's one with a swimming pool. I might just grab a look at it in a sec. But it is really nice. I know it's only like a stone's throw away from the strip, but it's so chilled out, the beach. It's absolutely beautiful. Right down at the bottom of the hill, you've got loads of tuk-tuks. So if you've had a few drinks, and you don't fancy walking back up Cardiac Hill, grab one of them babies. I don't think I can get in there. Got a couple of souvenir shops, BJ's snack bar. You got all the tuk-tuks here at the bottom of the hill. Italian restaurant there, pizza place. This is just beautiful guys, I've got to say. More souvenir shops. Here are all the bars. What I'm going to do, I'm going to drop down onto the beach, show you like all the water sports that's going on, and I'll come back up and I'll do a full length of all the bars and restaurants. So drop down a few flights of stairs. Tell you what guys, the Thai massage here, if you come down that hill, you could do with one of them. Loads of water sports here guys. You got the pedal boats with slides, jet skis, parasailing. Someone's having a chill out now. That's wicked that. Look at the beach guys. Total contrast to the strip. Absolutely stunning. We're going to end up over there, that far beach bar. That's where Sue is. Loads of people in the sea. Got all your pedalos there with the wicked slides on. Hotels in the background there. Oh, it's a lovely place, this. Oh, they look good, don't you? Yeah, look at that. Where you get, don't know how many seats, maybe 8 of you. So they used to be called banana boats, I don't know what they're called now. That looks wicked, doesn't it? She can't get in. Won't mind going on one of them. Only problem is she won't go on one. And so I'll walk back up to the steps and we'll go and see the bars. Try and keep the camera off all the bodies here. So that's where you book all your water sports there. Let's get some prices. Oh, boat tours, dolphin tours. 2.5 hours from €40. Pedal boats 25, 1 hour. Canoes, €15 for 2 people, €20. That's not too bad. Walk up the stairs again. I'm shattered already, guys. So it's about 4:30, 4:45 now. So we are in between lunch and dinner. Restaurant serving cataplana, traditional Portuguese dish. Borda Agua. There is one of them near us in a place called Fuzeta. This must be a chain of them. Cocktails, mojitos, sangria. Really lovely chill out mood here. Bar selling ice cream, beers. Stunning this place, guys. Can't believe I've been over here for 13 years and never come here. Look at them views, guys. Beautiful. Someone parasailing out there. Vivaldos, this is a drink snack bar restaurant. This is on our hit list. It's got good reviews on TripAdvisor. Got stunning views over Oura Beach. This is part of Vivaldos. It's all closed at the moment. This is the place we're going to. I think they call it Cueca, if I pronounce it correct. Snack bar, terrace and lounge. There's a DJ on at the moment. It's absolutely stunning, this place. So it's called Cueca Praia, serving cocktails, wines, caipirinhas, refreshments. And yeah, here's the DJ. Wicked. Look at that, guys. There's the DJ, man. Oh, look who's there. Look who's there. Oh, I knew I'd find Sue somewhere sat down with a, what is it, glass of Vinha Verde, is it, Sue?
It's Vinha Verde, guys. Happy Sunday.
It's beautiful here, isn't it?
Oh, I love it. I've not been here for years.
20.
20 years.
Wow.
I wish I was young again, though.
This place is only 6 years old, this place, yeah? But it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So what do you think of it, Sue?
Well, I definitely want to come back, but I just wish I was younger. Still loving the music, though. I love a bit of house.
So guys, I'm going to end this short walking talking tour. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button.
We're just gonna get drunk now, guys.
Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.